Men Raju Tisu na pen ke EMMSC ke doan na pen litung long da nang ke chetong dun XEM ke hai sona sing tera la pen ke litung long da nang ke chetong dun Agricultural Society a President Hum Singh Day la pen a General Secretary Tokbia Sanho la pen ke ilitum lockdown na chetong dun kalbi la me tamai la pen kaprek adhorom pen pini ka biang long mate ilitum asongya kalbi tang khorsing terang apan to som rai me long anso se a hil zu mi pen pedonang pathak nang pu pachar gom ti Christian pen cenglo, Aron Kini pen cenglo, la pen ke Assamese community pen cenglo, la pen board chairman, la pen la dogale, la da kalbiang long autonomous council, principal secretary in charge, secretary, joint secretary, la pen ka dogale, kalbiang long autonomous council, I employee atuman, nili choro party, la silitum kadogale ka chini na iya bang alapan lo. Khorsing Terang was born in 1906 at Ronglongchor near Oterang Langso. He studied in classic at Gulaghat. Alangli ke Charlie abangke classic at Gulaghat. Khorsing Terang was famously also known as Khorsing member. Kachethan plural like Khorsing member besi kachethan. A very popular figure who helpful to the people in need. He became the Mojadar after his father's death. Asabra Thilot Tenabangke, Alanglisi, Mojadar Banke, Dengpono. Consequent upon the Government of India Act 1935, the Provincial Assembly held an election in 1937, like in 1945 about election dolo. Khorsing Terang won in a two election as MLA to the Assam Provincial Assembly, apparently state to the provincial. In the first election in 1937, Khorsing Terang defeated Thengkor Singh Ingti, father of and Mohan Teron. The total vote was 171 only. Norbanke Mohan Teron fan Perem Pono. But secondly, in 1945, Khorsing Terang defeated 294. Asabu mat cherle awoda. Talata labata hinita Khorsing Terang si high pono. Khorsing Terang was the esteemed member of Karbiya Dorbar since 1940. After its formation at Kothal Gori, wherein the local resident Chingkang Terang played a pivotal role. Chingkang Terang ke la nikachetum aphulo. Mention may also be made that Khorsing Terang MLA, along with local resident of Mahendiga, arranged successfully for the comfortable stay of His Excellency, the then Governor Assam in newly constructed, well-designed bamboo hut, while camping at Mahendiga while on his way to Gulaghat. In that time, one Jotson Rompi read the memorandum submitted by Karbiya Dorbar for the development of the Karbi tribe. Holasut la Governor Kewangahu Hemda Kimpi Pameka la penke memorandum ta free pen bu pakasi apranga la son Thaila velomati la daksi thapdul wet sikipidul la pen hola sohoda penke memorandum mo pen inti sangu ta thamno memorandum kapurhidun penke Johnson Rompi Gulaghat so la pen ke ai gati pia banke dak Mohendiga ke do lok se 15-16 year lo ai ga bangala ga doctor la pen ati pia bangala ke ME school la bangso a headmistress là gì nghĩ bài cái là giọt son cụ thể thế là cái giọt còn giọt còn mà phi đồng là hắn lo